The ultimate power clamp. This is the most versatile clamp and spreading product on the market. The spine is built on 2-inch square aluminum or steel tubing. You now have complete control and capacity of your setup each and every time. The ultimate power clamp spine can be used on all 4 sides. You may need to have the screw on this side and the opposing clamp bracket 90 or 180 degrees off its axis. Crank the screw with your 1/2-inch ratchet. 100 foot-pounds of torque develops 10,000 pounds of pure force. Use it for jigs and fixtures. Use it as a standalone clamp, like you have used a pipe clamp in the past. Mount it to your workbench or your truck bed. Do you feel the pain when you use your standard clamps? In the absolute fact that they simply don't offer you the capacity to deliver absolute confidence in your projects? Have you ever bent a C-clamp spine, the screw, or the slide tightening pin? We are simply offering you more versatility, options, and capacity with much more brute strength.